So today we are going to learn OSI model. OSI model is nothing but the Open System Interconnection model. It is a conceptual framework that standardizes the functions of telecommunication and computing system into. It has 7 layers like application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link layer, and physical layer. Okay, so let's go for the next slide. Okay, so each layer, how it works, sorry, let's understand. Okay, so let's go from down. The first layer is physical layer, that is a transmission raw bits. Okay, so here the data transferring is through cables, wires, and NIC card, Wi-Fi. This is a physical transport layer, we can say that. Okay, in here we can use hardware where the transmission is happening for using cables, hubs, and NICs. Next, data link layer. So whatever data is transferring through the internet, so it has to be in some addressing, some encryptions, decryption. All this process is completed in data link layer. That is MAC addressing, frames, error checking. So Ethernet and point-to-point communication. Okay, now third is network, routing and logical addressing. If any data needs to be transferred from one location to other, so how the path has to be selected and destination, so it comes under the network, that is routing and logical addressing. So what are the protocol it is used? IP, Internet Protocol, ICMP, BGP. Okay, next, transport layer, reliable transmission of the data. See, if you are if you are googling, so there will be some protocol is used like HTTPS, HTTP. So these are the protocols. So the example here which we use is TCP and UDP. TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. UDP, user data program protocol. Okay, now next, session layer, manages session between applications. So in suppose if you are using some application and your session is get ended, so you have to re-log in again, so that comes under session layer. 6 is a presentation, translation, encryption, decryption. Suppose if you have sent any data to from your system to another server, so with the data it cannot be sent as it is. It should be encrypted, and at the destination it should be decrypted, so that just what I can say, security will be get managed, and the communication is easy and understandable. So there are also some protocols that SSL, secure socket layer, and JPG, ASCII. These are the encryption ports. Now the last one is application, end user interface. See, suppose if you want to access any web page and from the Google, so for example if you want to access Amazon or Alexa or any page, any AI tool, so what you can do, you just have to enter the keyword on the Google and the page is appears. So that is the application layer. So whenever you are using internet for get your work done, you each time these layers has to be completed, then only your data will be get displayed, like physical transmission raw bits. So it should be cable, hub, NIC. Second, data link layer, MAC addressing, frames, error checking, networking, routing, and logical. Fourth, transport, reliable transmission of data. Then fifth, session, manages session between application. 6, presentation, translation, encryption, compression. And 7th, end user interface and application service. So see how this is work. This is a standardized and this is conceptual. It is actually we can it is not get implemented, and this is a conceptual one, but actual the one which is implemented, that's a TCP IP. So we will learn that in upcoming videos. Okay, thank you.